This quick tutorial will show you exactly how to enable the BigQuery API and set up billing. Whether you're just starting out with Google Cloud or looking to manage your data more efficiently, getting BigQuery up and running is a crucial step. By the end of this guide, you'll be ready to start leveraging the power of BigQuery for your data projects. First things first, let's navigate to where you need to be. Start by clicking the navigation menu, which is that familiar hamburger icon located in the top left corner of your Google Cloud dashboard. Once there, you'll want to select billing. This is an essential step since enabling the BigQuery API requires an active billing account. If you find yourself without a billing account, don't worry, Google has made it quite straightforward to set one up. Just click on Create Account. You'll be prompted to fill out some basic information. This includes your country, your business profile, and of course, your payment method. It's important to enter accurate information here, as this will be the basis for your billing and any associated charges. Once you've completed these fields, your billing account will be set up and you can proceed to the next stage. With billing sorted out, let's move on to enabling the BigQuery API itself. Head back to the navigation menu at the top left corner. This time, hover over APIs and Services. You'll see a few options pop up. Select Library from this list. This is where you can manage all the different Google APIs available to you. In the API library, you'll find a convenient search bar at the top. Type in BigQuery API and press Enter. This will bring up a list of results, but you'll want to click on the first result labeled BigQuery API. This takes you to the BigQuery API page where you can check its current status. Now, it's time to verify whether the API is already enabled or if you need to enable it. Right on the BigQuery API page, you'll notice a status button. If it proudly displays API enabled with a reassuring green checkmark, you're good to go. You've already got BigQuery at your fingertips. However, if you see a blue enable button instead, you'll need to click it. This will activate the API, granting you access to all of BigQuery's powerful data management tools. And that's it. You've successfully enabled the BigQuery API and set up billing. With these steps completed, you're now ready to dive into your data projects with Google's robust BigQuery service. Whether you're analyzing large datasets or building complex queries, BigQuery offers the scalability and flexibility you need. Remember, if you ever need to revisit these steps or manage other APIs, the process is just as straightforward. Simply navigate through the Google Cloud dashboard and you're on your way. Thanks for watching and happy data analyzing.